I remember telling this to a young boy. Some of you who follow carefully might have heard me say this before. And he says to me, I'm going to plan so many sins so that I can just sit and achieve rewards for not doing them. I said, come on, don't be crazy. Don't be crazy. You're planning so many sins and then you say, I'm planning this, but I'm not going to do it. Don't be silly. What Allah is telling us is when you're about to do something and you hold back for Allah, that holding back, you can even get paradise through that. May Allah Almighty grant us paradise. When Allah gives us Jannah, He looks for anything and everything to be able to forgive you. So seek forgiveness of Allah every day. It's written on your deeds. Start your day with good remembrance as you get up from your bedding. Remember Allah, praise Him. Alhamdulillahi alladhi ahyana ba'dama amatana wa ilayhi nushur. One of the supplications, we praising Allah early morning. It will uplift you, it will change you, it will bring you to a reality that your Lord exists and you're going to go back to your Lord. So I'll work on my habits, you work on yours. I work on my connection with Allah, you work on yours. We are believers. When we witness the struggles on earth, we will definitely realize that Allah has favored us. Allah has favored us in 1,000,001 ways.